Hello students, this is S.D. Pawar, lecturer Department of Economics, Gogte PU College of Commerce and Science. Welcome. Today we shall continue with the topic measures of central tendency or averages, and today we will deal, this is the fourth part. Today we will continue with median. In the third part I have dealt with the meaning of median, which is the central most value or the middlemost value which divides the given values into two equal parts. Then I have taken two problems on individual observation or under the ungrouped data. Today we will deal with the grouped data, median for grouped data, that is under discrete series. Under the grouped data we will be dealing with discrete series and with continuous series or continuous data. Today we deal with the median for discrete series. Under the group data, the same formula n plus 1 upon tooth item is used by finding the n plus 1 upon tooth item through CF. CF here is cumulative frequency. I will show you how to calculate cumulative frequency when we are taking the problem. Now just see here in the under the ungrouped data or individual observation where only x values were given, here instead of capital N we have taken small n, that is when only x values are given. Now median for discrete data means here x values will be given in the problem and f value, that is frequencies, will be given. So when the frequencies are given we take write n as capital N. So the same formula is used n plus 1 upon tooth item, and it is used by finding the n upon tooth item through cumulative frequency. Example, calculate median income. The problem is given here. Just see, income is given, that is we call it as x. The income is 10, 20, 30 and 40 rupees. Then the persons who are deriving the income, or we give it as f, that is the people, number of people getting 10 as income are 2, number of people getting 20 as income are 4, number of people getting 30 as income are 10, number of people getting 40 as income, the frequency is 4. So this is the problem. Now we write the chart, we draw the chart here. This is given in vertical format. We will sorry, in horizontal format we take the problem, a solution in, we prepare the chart in vertical format. Okay, so write x values as is given, 10, 20, 30 and 40 is the income. F, that is the number of persons deriving these incomes. 10 is 2, 4, 10, 4. Then what is n here? We have to write here n plus 1 item is used to locate the median through CF. N plus 1 upon 2th item is used to locate means to find the median through cumulative frequency. So here we have to prepare an additional column, that is CF column, that is cumulative frequency column. Okay, now how we find that? Cumulative means that which goes on adding. So we will add the cumulative frequency means we will go on adding the frequencies. Now first one, what is the frequency given is 2. So the first one, the cumulative frequency, you will write it as 2 only. Then 2 plus 4 gives you how much? 6. Then 2 plus 4 plus 10 gives you 16. 2 plus 4 plus 10 plus 4 will give you 20. Instead of doing this way, we can just do it as, here you will write 2, just follow the pointer 2 as it is cumulative frequency. First it will come 2, then 2 plus 4 gives you 6, 6 plus 10 gives you 16, 16 plus 4 will give you 20. So here, and so the last cumulative frequency is 20. Now n we need to find out. We have found out the cumulative frequency column. Then what is n here? N is the number of frequencies, the total of frequencies, that is 2 plus 4 plus 10 plus 4 will give you 20. Now just see the number of frequency, that is n, has to be equal to the last cumulative frequency. After adding we get it as 20, so 20 has to match with n. Okay, now take the formula n plus 1 upon 2th item is equals to what? N is what here? 20. 20 plus 1 divided by 2. So 20 plus 1 will give you how much? 21 divided by 2, that will give you 10.5th item. Now this 10.5th item has to be located through, found through the CF column. So 10.5th item lies in CF cumulative frequency column 16. Now just see here, 10.5 we need to get. So just see, does 2 include 10.5? No. Does 6 include 10.5? No. 16 includes 10.5. In 16 we get 10.5. So here 10.5 is located through n plus 1 upon 2th item, that is 10.5 is located through CF column. So CF column 16, you just draw a line here. I have shown it with the colored yellow color. So it is, you have to, corresponding to the CF column, you see X is how much, income is how much, 30 here. In the 16, the 16 corresponding to 16, the income is how much here, 30. So therefore income corresponding to this CF cumulative frequency is 30. Therefore median income is equals to rupees 30. So this is how you calculate the median. So this is how you calculate the median for discrete data. The formula is the same, that is n plus 1 upon 2th item, but here n is number of frequencies. Okay, and we are finding or locating n plus 1 upon 2th item through cumulative frequency column. I hope you have understand how to calculate cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is nothing but addition of the frequencies at each level, that is 2. First frequency is 2, so cumulative frequency is 2. Then 2 plus 4 gives you 6, 6 plus 10 will give you 16, 16 you will add 4, you will get 20. So you are going on adding, and that is called as the cumulative frequency column. So n, that is 20 plus 1 divided by 2, you are getting 21 divided by 2, that is 10.5th item. N plus 1 upon 2 is 10.5th item, and 10.5th item lies in the cumulative frequency column 16. Okay, and corresponding to this CF, the income X is how much, 30. So therefore income corresponding to this cumulative frequency is 30. Therefore median income is rupees 30. So I hope you have understood this sum. You can take any figure of your choice, put the frequencies, and you can solve similar sums for practice purpose. This problem can come for 4 marks. So I hope you have understood this. Thank you for now.